Getting close. Getting close. There's some stuff back here I've got to address. I found once taking the bumper off. We're going to address this. Got these gaskets off of here. I got some gaskets in the front horns. And then it's time for paint. Work's been sucky, so everything's been delayed. So it's coming. It's coming. All this seam seal, get that replaced. Wire wheel, all this junk. Like it's surface rust, so it's not too bad. But it's all the way. So we'll do that and spray it up, and then we'll be good. Stuff from the 60s is still doing some stuff, but it's not on there very good. Wow. I've already got some tubes of this stuff that I ordered extra for the interior, and so I got it on hand, so that's nice. One of the less expense. Yeah. That's part of the car. Get that with a putty knife. Thick. Probably a better tool for that. But oh, there's another one. These little caps. One here for the trim that goes down the side there. That, amazingly enough, they had no rust at all in there. Hardware was good. I'm guessing this one is, if you drop, I don't know what this one's for, but it's there. Alright, wire wheel time. Well, ran out of battery. I gotta work in the morning, so we're gonna spray it down and then coat that rust real quick. That's, oh, maybe should have used the lower octane. Be high as a kite out here. I got enough half of it. I'll finish the rest later, but. Maybe I should get you guys in frame. Stuff taking the paint off? Yikes. Stuff's spicy. Is this lacquer? Interesting. Alright, let me dry that off. Again, that's lacquer, so definitely not using carbon choke cleaner next time. Alright, let me paint this up real quick after this dries up a little bit more and call it a night. Alright, halfway done. We'll fix that later. Deuces.